What's up, you guys? It's your girl Alethea coming back with another video with these little funky scissors that I use for everything. But anyway, I am coming in to unbox my Apple Watch 7. The last Apple Watch I had, which is the one that's still kicking and ticking now, my wife bought for me when she was trying to get me to be her girlfriend, right? She bought it for me for Valentine's Day. Anyway, so if you would like to see me unbox my new Apple Watch 7, then please continue to watch. So let me tell you guys this. I did get the basic $399, and I know it's not basic. For $399, there's nothing basic about $399. I got a little dust. Oh, there's nothing basic about $399, but I'm saying that to say that I did not get the one with the cellular because, let me tell y'all something, the one with the cellular is $10. Well, it costs more initially up front, and then it's $10 more per month. I can talk from a certain distance on my regular watch, and I don't know what else, what the other benefit of it is, but the only benefit I know of having a watch with cellular is the fact that you can.
Alright, you guys, so this is Editing Alethea coming in to say, please disregard my voice. I know I sound a little different in this video, but please just disregard it. Look over it. Everything will be back to normal soon.
Talk on it from a farther distance. So with that being said, I wasn't gonna pay for that. So this is the back of it, and it's been so long since I got an Apple Watch. Oh, okay, so that's how you're opening it. Those little flaps. Y'all know Apple always Apple has to come with it with the packaging. I don't care what anybody say, hands down, Apple's packaging is it. So my other watch was in the 38 millimeters. It was 38, and then I think it was 42. And now, if I'm not mistaken, it's 41 and 47. And I got the 41. So, y'all already know how this goes. So, guess what I'm going to do with my other watch? You guessed it. I'm going to give it to my wife. I don't have a need for it. The other one, and it's still in working condition, and rather than get rid of it, I am going to give it to my wife. Okay, let's open this up. Designed by Apple in California. Here's your little packaging, and yeah, instructions and all that good jazz. I may need those. Let me set those there. And then when you open this up, you have, let's do this the Apple way, okay? Like, what is wrong with me? Okay, so when you open it up, you have your charger, and okay, so this is not completely white. Okay, my other charger. Here's my other charger, and here's the new charger. Same premise on this side, except this side, this one is all white. This one has a silver back, and I have never, the whole time I've had this watch, and I got this watch in 2018, and I have never had to get another charger for this one. All right, and then we have the watch. The color that I got is Starlight. My other one is gold, and I didn't want to get the gold again. And I myself, I didn't want black or blue or anything like that. To me, black and blue are just a little bit more masculine, so to speak. So here is the watch itself. And on the back, this one has, I don't even have my other one in front of me, but I know this watch has the O2 sensor and all that kind of good jazz. So here it is on the back. I am going to set it up, of course. So next we have the band, and per usual, you have the two different sizes. This is the larger one, the medium large, and this is the small medium. Where you going, mama? Where you going, mama? That's the baby. And so I'm going to go ahead and assume that I wear the small. I wore the small before. Despite the fact that I'm a chunky girl, I have a 6-inch wrist. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take this off, and Cause baby I'm trying not to push anything because I'm pushing things. Okay, and okay, let me put it in from the other side. So that was getting on my nerves. What is wrong? What am I doing wrong? Okay, there it is. Oh my gosh, something is going on with this. Okay, so I'm not done yet, baby. I just had to put the band on. I'm not done. So after some tugging, I finally got it correct. And so I'm gonna take it and put it on. All right, so here it is. Here is the small on my wrist. And I still have 3 holes here and 3 on this other side. So I'm just in the middle of the small medium. This face, of course, is definitely bigger than my other face. I think I like my other face. So I left my phone, so let me go get the phone so that I can start pairing this. All right, y'all, so my phone is actually almost dead, so I hope I have enough charge to do this. So now it's paired. I hope I didn't push the wrong thing. Because is it going to bring my data over from the other one? Because I didn't restore from backup. I'll see in a moment. Well, we'll see in a moment. So now, I don't know if my other bands will fit this one. So I need to see if my other bands will fit this one. I need to buy some new ones anyway. All right, and so now we're at the point where it's asking me about the text, and for me, I do put it on the bold text. I'm not all the way over to the A, at least not right now, but I put it on bold text. And now let me put a passcode. Look at these keys. These number keys are so much, well, I know I got it on the higher font, but these number keys are so much bigger. So now what I'm wondering is, where are the advertisement stickers? Like, did Apple not do the, do they not put the advertisement stickers in the watch? You know how they put the stickers on your MacBook and on in your phone? Those are advertisements. They want you to place those like on your car somewhere to advertise for them. So that's just free advertisement. I'm not going to put them on there. I was just wondering where they were. So I'm just going to take all of this packaging and put it up, because although I am not going to send this watch back because I don't think there's anything wrong with it, I never discard boxes until I am absolutely 100% sure. Okay, so it's syncing and all that good jazz, and I'll play with it later. And like I said, when my wife comes home, I'm going to set her up with the other one. But let me see one thing real quick. Let me see if my other bands will work with this watch. All right, so this is my 3, and this is, look at that. See, look at the difference. Oh my gosh, look at that size of that face. Look at that difference in the size. It's not like a ginormous size difference, but there is a difference. This band that's on here is just a little band that I got from Amazon. Oh, so they do fit. So I can still use my other bands. So this is my new Apple Watch, and there's nothing left to nothing else to show. It's talking about get to know your watch, but I know all this stuff pretty much. I mean, I'm gonna have to learn the oxygen sensor thing and maybe some other things about it, and then get used to the fact that this one is bigger. But I do like that. It'd be better for viewing, and go and watch some videos on, you know how they have those hidden tricks and things that you didn't know about your Apple Watch and all that. go and watch some of those videos. Thank you guys so much for watching another video here on my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. And thank you guys so much for all the new subscribers and new followers. And thank you guys so much for the views. Your girl appreciates it. And so that'll be it for this one. Thank you guys so much for checking out another video here on my channel. And until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? Catch you guys on the flip side. Bye.